ऐकायला की काल तुमच्या तिथलं एक MLA कोविड सापडला. सो हाऊ यू आर तुम्ही बरोबर घेतला होते तर हाऊ इज ही?
First, I wish him all the best to face this effect of virus, and I hope he should not involve much in this before he could found infected. I hope that others should not be affected much. And I wish him all the best.
So one more thing is that on 24th you all had all together came together and had a meeting at CN's Rajani. Now it's necessary that all should be tested for this. So कसं
What
पडतं?
happens
Because
when
everybody has
it
to
is the health officers or medical officer will check his movement. And accordingly, they will decide. Health authorities will decide
I'm
what are his connection and how to identify the other
as
infection.
far as MLAs are concerned, because तुम्ही meeting
It
आहे
is not only for MLAs. MLAs is a one
Correct.
among the people. We can't designate MLAs and general public.
आणि आता कितली सिरियसनेस झाला असं बिकॉज आता MLA देखून सांपडतो टुडे वॉज देवर हॅव बीन न्यूज अबाउट 4th डेथ सो हाऊ सिरियसनेस इट इज गोइंग इन द कमिंग
To check his involvement first. Since it is happened to MLA, we need to know exactly what are his movements. We are not aware of his movements before the case has been detected.
Now Kukoli is close to your this
Yeah.
so how you are taking precautions?
So we need to take precaution based on his incident, no? His case. We need to be aware, and we need to create awareness to others also.